Hello, everybody. My name is Sam. I'm a local private car taxi driver in Cambodia, but for this video clip, I promote my job with private car taxi driver from Siem Reap to Battambang and Battambang to Siem Reap. It's still available. You can booking last minute or advance by WhatsApp or my Telegram. If you need a car taxi driver for your private transportation from Siem Reap to Battambang city or the tour around the Battambang, you can contact me. You can ask me more information. Quite easy. I can give you a lot of option for a tour in Battambang or Battambang to Phnom Penh, Phnom Penh to Battambang. It's no worry. I can have you at a time. Please contact me. Okay, for private taxi driver transfer from Battambang to Siem Reap City or Battambang to Sai Airport, from Battambang to Phnom Penh Hotel, from Battambang to KTI Airport. Still available. Contact me SMS by Telegram or WhatsApp. You can go to my own website that have got www.anglebasdriver.org. See you soon in Cambodia with Anglebase Driver. Bye.